Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a brand new video. I hope all of you are doing well today. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys a new token in the world of cryptocurrency. So this is a new token, Battle Steed Token, which you can claim now for you to be able to change it later in a few months time when the token will be launched. So just stay tuned and watch this video to the end, so I show you how you can claim this $400 worth of Battle Steed Token. And if this is your first time on this channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and turn on your notification bell for you to be notified anytime I post a new video. So let's get started. First of all, you go to your Google browser or your Google Chrome, and you're gonna search for battlesteed.ai. battlesteed.ai. Actually, I'm gonna leave the link in the description, so you can click on the link and check out the website. So you're gonna search for battlesteed.ai. So when you click on it, you're gonna find it. Actually, it's gonna be the first link that's gonna appear when you search for it. So you're gonna click on it. And when you click on the website, it's gonna bring you to this homepage. So where you find Android APK, you're gonna click on the Android APK and download the app. So I'm gonna click on it. So when you click on it, you have to download the app. So I'm not gonna download it because I already have the app. So when you download it, you're gonna find it in your downloads. So you're gonna find it in your downloads. So when you open your downloads, you're gonna install the app and then open the app. So I'm gonna head over to this and I'm gonna search for the app. So as you can see, this is the app, Battle Steed. So this is the app right here, Battle Steed with a horse. So I'm gonna open the app. Okay, Battle Steed Web 3. So when you open yours, it's gonna be like this, but yours is not gonna contain any token or any you're not gonna see $400. So yours is gonna be zero. So for you to claim this $400 worth of token, you're gonna click on invite. So when you click on this invite, it's gonna bring you to somewhere like this, where you have to input an invite code. So for you to input an invite code, you're gonna use this code appearing on your screen. This code appearing on your screen, AHPXQ1. So that's the code you're gonna use, and when you use this code, you're gonna paste it inside this place. So you're gonna paste it here. So when you paste it here, you're gonna see something appearing below, either bind or link or something like that. So after pasting it, you're gonna click on that, and when you click on that and you refresh your page, you're gonna find out that this token is gonna appear in your wallet. So this token is gonna appear in your wallet. So that's how you claim this Battle Steed token. And if you wanna follow them on Telegram or YouTube, you can still find their links below. So that's basically how you claim this Battle Steed token. So if you actually learned something from this video, or if you benefited anything, please do well to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and turn on your notification bell for you to get notified anytime I post a new video. Thanks for watching, guys.